We started with one Manta about 2-3 years back. It worked so well that we bought the second one. I think that's probably the best and honest review that I can give you. Hi, my name is Dr. Phalke. I'm Director of the Lab Sciences in Strand Life Sciences in Bangalore. We run a high throughput molecular diagnostic testing lab. As a part of our processing, we handle different blood samples, several prenatal samples like amniotic fluid, chorionic villi, then a lot of tissue samples, etc. We are processing close to 500 to 1,000 samples per week. So it's imperative that our processes are scalable and is able to handle several thousands of samples per week seamlessly. Before we started using Manta, we were completely doing manual workflows. One of the key things when we were processing the samples manually, we did not have possibility to scale up the samples. Our turnaround time to run, let us say, 96 samples was probably 2 or 3 days with involvement of 2 or 3 resources every day, which using Manta, I can easily do, let us say, 3 batches of 32 samples on each Manta. So essentially, I can do more than 150 samples in a day with the same set of resources. So that has made a huge positive impact on our scheduling, on our turnaround times for managing the processes. The rate of failures have gone down. I think that has helped to streamline all our workflows in the lab. Our relationship with Cambrian actually goes back to about 4 to 5 years, almost the time since I am with Strand. Initially, the relationship or discussions were mainly on the reagents and development of the processes. I personally like to interact with the Cambrian team because of the scientific acumen that they have and passion to give some solutions which are local solutions to the labs like ours. I think that was something great when Manta came into picture. It was a fantastic unit in terms that it was a very compact system which can be kept anywhere in the lab. Today, Manta is actually central in all our NGS and non-NGS downstream applications, be it exome sequencing, be it whole genome sequencing, or any germline testing for cancers. In all workflows, the use of Manta for generating a high quality DNA is central to our processes. We are now not only limited to blood or genomic DNA extraction. There are now new protocols on Manta which support RNA extraction, which support cfDNA extractions from plasma samples, etc., which we are now trying to optimize and validate. For any lab running very high volume of blood-based or exome work or NIPT or any other prenatal testing where germline variants are to be tested, Manta is the ideal platform that I would really point to you, especially where the extraction quality is directly linked to the clinical reporting confidence. You can't afford variability. Manta gives you consistency. You can build a reportable workflow on it. But honestly, the biggest thing it gave us across both programs is the predictability. So extraction, of course, is a process and we used to manage it with manual process and etc. However, now it's something that we are building upon. We know the platform grows with us as well. With that, I would really recommend anyone who is interested to scale up their lab. I would definitely recommend them to use Manta. Thank you.